Hello everyone and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to buy USDT. So the first thing you have to do is to go to Binance.com and create a new account and verify it with passport, document or driving license. So once you do that, the first thing you have to do is go to trade and press peer-to-peer, this button here. So you press it and now you have to select this option buy and here USDT. Confirm this, and here you have to choose your currency, your fiat money. So in this case it will be USD. You choose it and here you can see all the orders. So one one, one USDT for 0.98 dollars. This is the payment method simply. In this case you can get a lot of new options looking around. So for example, wallet edge, AVA, GHQR, etc. So you have to choose the one that convinces you. They also have a um, order limit, so this goes from 11 to 25. So you won't be able to buy below 11 and above 25. So you have to check it out good and check the prices. Then you press the button and you will be chatting with a person that is willing to sell to you their USDT in exchange of your USD fiat. And once you send the USDT to that person, you will receive the USDT in your Binance account. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. See you next time in another Easy Way video. Goodbye.